Hi, this is Ed with Creative Masonry and Chimney. I'm over in Sarasota, Florida. Behind me, as you can see, we have a brick chimney. We have some scaffolding set up so that we can work around this. And what we're going to be doing on this particular job is removing the cement cap on the very top, fixing the cement crown, which is right underneath of it, and then installing a custom chimney cap on this. Good thing that the people had decided to remove this. If you look up in the corner here, somewhere right up there, I just barely touched the cement and it had cracked. So good thing that they're doing this. This wouldn't have lasted much longer. So Creative Masonry and Chimney, if you need any chimney work or chimney caps, be happy to help you. You can visit us at www.creativemasonryfl.com. Thank you. Have a great day.